Learn basic arithmetic with numbers 11 to 20. The fun way. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the wonderful world of numbers, specifically focusing on numbers 11 to 20. We're not only going to learn how to say and write these numbers, but also use them in basic arithmetic. That is, addition and subtraction. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Before we get into the arithmetic, let's quickly review our numbers from 11 through 20. 11 11, 12 12, 13 13, 14 14, 15 15, 16 16, 17 17, 18 18, 19 19, 20 20. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try saying these numbers out loud a few times. Now that we're comfortable with our numbers, let's move on to addition. Addition is all about bringing things together. For example, if we add 11, 11, and 6, 6, we get 17, 17. We write this as 11 plus 6 equals 17. Let's try another one. 15, 15, plus 3, 3, equals 18, 18. So, 15 plus 3 equals 18. Let's now turn our attention to subtraction. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. It's about taking things away. For instance, if we subtract 4, 4, from 18, 18, we get 14, 14. We write this as 18 minus 4 equals 14. Here's another one. 20, 20, minus 7, 7, equals 13, 13. So, 20 minus 7 equals 13. The best way to master addition and subtraction with numbers 11 to 20 is to practice, practice, practice. Try creating your own arithmetic problems, or ask a friend to create some for you. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. They're part of learning. That wraps up our introduction to basic arithmetic with numbers 11 to 20. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, the key to mastering these skills is consistency and practice. So keep at it and you'll be a whiz in no time. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!